Yo, yo, yo. Let's get this started. Let's get this started. Yo, what's up? Asian Munda? Am I saying that right? Testing day? What do you mean testing day? Oh, in the markets. Yeah. We're here for the markets. I forget about that. Nobody has to believe me, but I've been looking to trade very small size at night, just one or two contracts, and then just let it ride, aiming for like 100 points. And I was looking at 50% of this move here, which we were respecting. Roughly. Where was it? Or was it this move? Yeah, on the 15-minute we had these bodies. I had two contracts long at 17,300, aiming for this high. I had to take them off because I was helping somebody with like bots and stuff. That's a real shame. That's a real shame. No, I don't trade support and resistance. Most of my ideas come from ICT. However, I'm not really looking for, I don't know. I mainly just trade off of swing highs. So key levels, swing highs, swing lows, and then these gaps that form. It was the right time. I had two contracts at 17,300-ish down in this area because we were holding that 50% level, and I was aiming for this high, and I was just gonna leave it all night, and it worked. I just had to get out because I had to do some ICT, just this crazy old dude on YouTube and stuff, and he has his own theories on the markets. But these gaps that form right here, he calls them fair value gaps. Basically, you're just waiting for market to take out like a high or a low, and then watch for one of these in the opposite direction and for a reversal. That's the gist of it. He goes in way more depth on stuff. See, like here we came up and then we came straight back down and take out this low. I would be looking for a long right there to go after this high. That's like super simple terms. He has hours and hours of, hundreds of hours of videos on YouTube, but he also is kind of crazy, so Need to look at news. How would I trade an Apex? I trade them pretty hard. I'm working on a 50K right now, not with Apex, with someone else, just because I have some fundeds with Apex that are running on bots. But I'm trying to, I'm taking this one a little easier. I'm trading like, we were in up to 7 micros the other day, which was too much. We'll probably, today I'm going to take a trade here at open with a mini on a 50K with a bot, so we can watch that and see how it does. And then we'll probably switch over to like anywhere between 1 to 3 micros. I'll show you in a second though, kind of what I watch for. We have news at 9:45. We need to be careful of that, and news at 10. We need to be careful of that as well. So this open might not be that great. This is what I look for. All right, we have a 5-minute. Where is this at? I need to put this on. So this low is right here. We had 2 lows on the 5-minute. Market came down, took this low out. And what did it do after it took that low out? So that's that low. We scroll over on the 1-minute. Market took it out, traded down here, and then created these big candles, these bodies, and we didn't trade in between. As soon as one of those is created, you long right there. That's a beautiful setup. 40 points easy. I mean, we're even further than that now. 60 points. So you wait for like a higher time frame, swing high or swing low to get taken out, and watch to see if this pattern forms. It's pretty simple. It's easy, but it's hard to just sit around and wait for it. Yeah, typically the red one. I also compare to, on this website, Market Watch, because this just shows like US stuff. So this one only has the 9:45 PMI and the 10 a.m. You can't be too careful. I mean, if you see anything on there, sometimes it doesn't seem like it should affect Nasdaq, but it does. So but after you, I assume you're newer to trading or newer to trading futures. Yeah, you can't be too careful with it. You'll like, I still don't even understand all these different news events. I just know the big ones that happen. Like Thursday, this initial jobless claims at 8:30 a.m. That one usually moves the market. I don't think these other ones really do anything. Sometimes this one does, pending home sales. But it's best to just not be in the market when that time comes. Oh man, if you're new, take it slow. I showed you that setup I showed you is what that's pretty much all I do. But But I highly recommend you trade one account. Prove to yourself you can pass it. And then after it's passed, then you can add the other accounts if you want. But you do you. You do you. We might go take out that high right here at open. Might take it out before open. I'm gonna see how this bot does today. It's gonna 1 second before the market opens, it's gonna place an order, two longs above the current high and 2 orders below the current high. See what happens. And then after that, we'll just trade manually. Usually there's a usually when this happens, like if you're longing this, you don't want the market to come back beneath this swing that it put in. So this would be your area. Like if the market comes back down here, you just get out. So whatever you're risking, I mean, that's up to you. That one would have been like 13, 14 points. So if you want to go for 15 points or 20 points or kind of how you want to do it. What's up, Drew? We got a treat this morning. Here in like 40 seconds, I'm going to try running this bot. It's going to place an order 2 longs up here and 2 shorts down here, and we'll see what happens right here at open. I ran this one a couple weeks ago and it blew an account, but it seems like this setup is working again. So we'll try it again. Probably let's see. Right at 59. There we go. Did it take it? Jesus. How did this one? Took a few losses. Oh, the low. I think this low down here was not put in yet, and we dipped down. Well, there's that strategy, which well, I'm using Quan Tower. I think I'm not trying to do this at open anymore. We get wicked out like that. That's what happened the week I blew some accounts. Plus, let me look at this 1 second chart. I don't think the low of that 929 candle was put in yet. Yeah. that last second where the price was. We got tagged in when we didn't really break that low yet. But I have to put my orders in before the market opens because I've had it mess up. Had it mess up right there at market open. 422. So ES is nowhere near that high. Let's put a 15 up here and a 5 down here. Be easier to compare these two. Looking at this overall move, Nasdaq is way up here taking out this high. ES is nowhere near it. I either expect ES to rip up 10, 15 points or Nasdaq to roll over. Now that we took that out. Or we could keep going. This ES is showing it wants to go down. Nowhere near that high. Nasdaq took it out. Minute. About to leave just a huge wick up there. It's a huge, it's a 30-point 1 minute candle. That's a Nasdaq I like to see. We do have news at 9:45, so we gotta probably be out of this by then. What's up, McLovin? looking at this Nasdaq high was swept. ES nowhere near it. Let's go back down. Definitely don't want to see ES come up here. Should have taken my points back there. They're up 15. Just waiting for the news at 9:45. Gotta get out of that. Damn. Really thought that was going to just roll over quickly. We moved up so fast and then we wicked back down. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding. 20 seconds later, it comes back to break even. Everything on Nasdaq is bullish. I just don't know if it's still bullish after we took out that high. Especially with ES not taking it out. But if ES does go take it out, Nasdaq should go after that one, maybe. Do we just ride this news? Why do you think that is, McLovin? We're going to get in 3 and ride it. Could pull back down. We'll add more. I just think if ES does go take that out, it's going to allow Nasdaq to continue. We got to get to the bottom of that. Usually when I can't see it clearly, I'm thinking about working towards a payout and not wanting to take any losing trades, or maybe like I have like a bunch of bills coming out or something. My problem is always worrying about the money. It's always my problem. Anytime I do bad, it's because I was worrying about the money. Every single time. Never fails. Because we got into this, this news is gonna tank it. Everything's still hella bullish though. I was just wanting a quick move back down after that 5-minute high was swept. We just couldn't get it. Get back into this. Did make a higher high. I want to see us keep going. Oh, is that real? It's not real, is it? What is going on here? Every time I reload it, there's a bigger gap. All right, we're holding this to 550. Holding this to 550, McLovin. Every time I reload it, there's a bigger gap. Are you changing what you've been doing? Or did you change what you've been doing? Are you like... Sometimes I try too hard to figure out what the market's doing versus just reading what the candles are telling me it's doing. I overcomplicate it. All right, candles are back. Yeah, I think I want to look at this high over here. Around the 15-minute. I know we went to that one. I know we took out this one. But this little 15-minute gap has already been traded up to, so shouldn't we at least head towards this one? I know the market could do whatever it wants, but if we're going to take out this high, surely we can go take out that high, right? What did ES get to? Yeah, we could pull back to this entry. Got some 1-minute order blocks right here. We also have more news at 10. If this news pushed us up, then the next news should push us up too, right? I guess we could also come back towards at 450, where that other swing high was that we took out earlier. Yeah, well, we'll just wait and see. I have our trader open, and every time I enter, a little thing pops up, and I don't want that. I don't know how to turn it off. Oh, frick. That looks good. Don't want to see this gap respected. It's not breaking any swings. Came right back to these order blocks that I was talking about. I want that high. kind of screwed me yesterday because we were 7 points or 5 points from a high, up 93 points, and then we let it come back to break even. But I want what I want, and we're gonna wait. Looking good. So what's 5 minute doesn't have anything. I guess you're not in anything, McLovin, right? If are you out already? Nice. If we break this high, I think I'm going to add one more. No. Don't let that be a higher high and then a turnaround. And we're coming back to this. Hopefully this holds. That's good. That's real good. We got news here in a second. Please, please just go on my favor. Just looking for that. Just looking for 550. Well, let's put an order up there. this high on the 15-minute McLovin. So I'm gonna target 550 right beneath it. Maybe we just rip up there. Right here at news. That'll be a pretty damn good trade. 66 points. I think scaling up to a bigger size is a good idea. What's that mean? Oh. I can add, a couple when I want to get in, and then as it's respecting levels and setups, I can add more as I get more confident in it. I could add one right here because I like that this stopped right there. Yeah, man, 66. We originally entered back down here, but all these are adding into it. Come on. Slowing down. We got news here in 30 seconds. Yes, sir. You think it's going to go my way? We got eight micros. We're kind of in the hole on this account for today. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby. Nope, wrong way. I think it said 1,000, but I'm also down like 600 right now, so maybe it could be more. I don't know. I haven't checked. Nasdaq, you want to go up? Yeah, I think it does. Usually I get 1001, 1002. I mean, we made it up to 530 a minute ago. We broke this high. Like, we can't. Can we just get close to that one? Oh, it's going. We got this. Probably add more here. Oh, come on. We were up 40 points. I'm worried about a high, low, higher high. This is a prime setup to start a reversal if it wanted to. And this is a good spot to turn around. Took out a couple of higher time frame highs. Everyone like me thinking that we're going after this one. Oh, nice. I don't know, McLovin. You said you haven't been reading the market good lately. All right, at least we're in this together. That's it. Where are you placing your stop at? I really don't want to see it break this low, but there's a potential that we could sweep that and then go up, you know? Man, that news 10, that one didn't do anything. Well, that was home sales, right? I guess home sales doesn't, Nasdaq shouldn't care about home sales. I just never know. I can't ever remember. And I feel like sometimes it does move it, or not move it, but we get a little something something. It's all looking good. And I really did a 180. We were just scalping 3 points the other day. And now we've had we had a 100-point trade on Friday, 90-point trade go break even yesterday. Today we're in a long trade aiming for 60 something points. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do. It's up one stop. Yeah, all this is looking good for that. I wonder, maybe I should take off like 6 up here, or some, and then see if we can keep running. I mean, why would we turn around there? Could just keep running. Oh, come on, McLovin. You take that? That was pretty close. Jesus, Drew. Nice, McLovin. 246. We need one more. 2468. All right. I'm not taking anything till we get to 250. It's a roller coaster there, Drew. We've all been there. I mean, it's kind of what's going on right now. I'm down. The exit right now, we're down 200, including being up in this trade. So if this comes back down here, I think we're actually like minus 600 or 700. But if we can hit our take profit up here, this will pull us into the green. $53. Waiting for a break. And then this at 60. Come on. That's good, Grant. FOMO works sometimes, but most of the time you're going to get burned. There we go, ES. Keep pushing. So ES is... I need ES to go after that high. Come on, why can't we just run there? Oh God, I hope not. Really need it to keep going. I don't want to see these three highs put in like that. Isn't it like a 3 drive? Call it a 3 drive pattern or something. Makes like the same. It can only go up like, I don't know. Like, I've been fairly confident this wants to go to that 550. It's just a matter of how many little pullbacks and how far pullback is it going to go. But I'm pretty sure we go there. What the hell is this? 20 points? $535. Oh, we went over that high. Or no, that was from earlier. Why are we getting so close? Oh my god, we went up into the wick of that 15-minute. Let's look for some more things that show that we're going to go there. I think the middle. We went to the center of that wick on the hour. And we keep going. That was 50 points. Doesn't mean anything if I don't take the 50 points, right? We gotta just let it play out. Just leave it. Nasdaq, you want to go up there. Just freaking go. We don't need to do this. All this extra movement is just it's just unnecessary. You guys can't tell, it's very difficult sitting here holding these trades. This is why I went back to scalping a few points. I can just get in and get out because I just struggle the whole time I'm sitting in a trade. Even when it's green. Like, we've been green like almost the whole time. It still sucks. Go. All right, enough of the red candles. They are unnecessary. Look at this 30-second. We went straight to take out that low. Come on, we can keep going up. What's up, Knives? We've been in this trade since... Which one did I enter on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We started this trade at 9:41, so 40 minutes. Yeah, pretty much. Very confident that we're going up here. If we do, our red day will turn into a green day. Started red last night. Placed a couple micros long that I was planning on holding all night, but I had to kill them in the red to help somebody. So I had to place orders to test something. So that sucks. And then this morning we took a couple. I think we took a couple losses this morning. Oh, I ran a bot right at open. Actually, it is. I mean, I wasn't planning on killing those trades. I was going to leave them all night, but I had to place test orders. So I had to kill those trades in the red in order to help somebody. Otherwise, I was planning on leaving them all night long. I didn't have any other way to do that. It's all right. I mean, it was $80. It wasn't a big deal. I was only down 80 at the time, but I was aiming for 100 points again, and the 100 points hit. So maybe they owe me the 100 points worth of profit there. Yeah, that's true. Oh, it's going, McLovin. We're not going to get this high. I'm not going to say that. As soon as I say something, it's going to freaking turn around. Come on. These need to be at 50. These first two. Yeah, that's what I was aiming for, one stop. I didn't realize it was a Friday high. I was just aiming for this high on the 15-minute. But if that's a Friday high, nice. On. Oh yeah, plus we have a gap here. Good target. Should get out at 47. Okay, it went to... Oh, come on. There's no way. There's no way. There's no freaking way. Get back up there. Oh my god. This is brutal. I can't deal with another trade being that close to take profit and then it comes back to break even. Yesterday we were plus 93 points and I only needed a couple more points to get to 100 and it came all the way back to break even. I can't do that today. I am going to put a stop here though, just in case. All right, that's good. Right back to this order block. That stops protecting me from going red on this account. I mean, red on this trade. I'm on a... Oh, this is... Wait, does Bulanox have unrealized? That's what I'm on right now. I haven't looked. I don't know. I don't pay attention to that stuff because I'm not usually trading too large of a size, unlike somebody. No, I didn't purchase in a day. Come on, you got to be kidding me. I'm not watching this. I'm gonna go get coffee. No, it's going. It's going. That's good. This is a good sign. Came right back to that order block right here. What's up, Clarity? We're in a little bit of a situation here. All right, we can wait. It's going. This is perfect. Perfect. I told you guys. I don't know why you guys are getting all freaking worked up. Why are you guys worried? Like, this was clearly going to 550. Clearly. Look at this. God damn it. What the... Come on. There we go. I told you guys. Easy. This is too easy. Like, I don't know why you guys have an issue. Like, I hear people blowing accounts, losing trades, having red days. It's not like what's so hard about that? I'm just getting out of everything. That was my goal. Well, I don't know why I'm looking at something way too easy. Like, why is everyone not trading? This was the easiest read in like I've ever seen. Look at all these bullish pushes. You guys are getting all worried about these little pullbacks for what? Oh, I don't want to lose any money. Hold on, I got to make all those private real quick. All right, let me show you this. Look at my... We can't keep having days like this. I'm just doing it for the entertainment there, Grant. Don't worry. This is not how you're supposed to trade. Look, there's 570. This is probably just going to keep going. Hell yeah, I was down 800 Alito. I took that open This is why I was down. It's a stupid opening range. I'm not playing that anymore. Like, if you guys want to do it, go for it. But it's not for me. I took the open and then I took another trade that didn't work out on minis. Yo, I'm killing it on micros though. Yo, I was holding because that was my target for that trade. And there's 570. I think we could eat up this bar as well. I could have held that all day. That's not true, Alito. Don't be mad that you can't catch these moves. Don't be mad. Was that? What was our average in the 80s? Yeah, this was like our entry. I think our average entry was there. So that was 67 points. And then we had a 93 point that I didn't take. I should have taken it, but I'm going to count it as a win because we were 93 points in a freaking trade. I had a trade last night that went to 100 points that I had to kill early because of outside. Like, I'm not one to blame something else or someone else, but I had to get out of the trade to help somebody because I had to place test orders on a live account. So I had to kill that trade in order to help them. So, but that trade was 100. That trade went to where I wanted it to go. We would have been in it this morning. I entered right here. You can see my entries right here. Then I killed it for a loss. And then I was testing, but I was aiming for this high. And came back. I went to 30 points in drawdown. I had 2 micros and I was aiming for this high, which was 138 points, which we hit. Then took this trade. Man, this market's too easy. And we had a 100-point trade on Friday. It's the music, I think. Like, I know it doesn't always work, but you zoom out. Jesus, look at that 5 minute. Or yeah, if you zoom out to 5 minute, like everything is showing you want to keep going higher. So you wait for a setup and get in and then ride it. Now, if I didn't take the stupid opening, that opening play, that opening range play, we would be up quite a bit, but instead we're only up 150. But I'm so pissed about that. That's just not for me. Look at us. Look at this. We're gonna eat this candle up. Oh, right. Yeah. That missile news really tanked us the other day. Someone in the markets had that. Someone in the markets ordered that. Warren Buffett ordered that missile strike. We could buy the dip. All right, it's 10:30. I'm done. We've proven ourselves. We'll come back tomorrow and do it again. It's back on the 15 minutes. 1 minute. Tomorrow we got the bots running. Well, the bot. But you guys stay safe. Be careful trading. McLovin, good for you for taking your profits. Back there. This game's just too easy. All right. Talk to you guys later. See you in the morning.